the partners and they pretend, you know, they fake it. But you know, you need to understand the other person senses. You know, the man will sense you when you're really, you know, involved versus when you're faking it. Okay, so this is going to be the best option for women's sexuality that is out there. And you will see that with your patients. You're going to have very, very happy patients. Not only female patients, but male patients. Because you're going to give them their wife back, or their girlfriend, whatever the relationship is. Not somebody that is kind of goes through the moves, you know, and does their part, their duty. But somebody who is involved, who feels, who experiences it, who likes it, who responds. So it's the best thing for women. It really is. Okay. There's no alternative here. There's no choice. That's it. It's this or, you know, Sofra.